Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the fantastic Peugeot 208 PureTech edition that does come as a 2019 model, complemented in the modernised and sleek Nimbus grey paintwork. It does also come with a petrol engine, making it the ideal nippy city drive for any individual, complemented by some fantastic features all around, including enhanced parking with your rear view camera and full sensors. For added protection when stationary, you do also have your power folding and heated door mirrors. Your 16-inch alloys do also come with a titanium matte black finish, alongside your full glass sunroof for the summer months. Moving into your boot, you will find plenty of space to house your day-to-day items, complemented in the interior by a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort all round, with access to your fitted ISOFIX points. You do also have your multifunctional leather steering wheel in the front for driver convenience, with access to your central touch display screen, providing a full entertainment all round. Your two front seats are again full cloth, so all travelling passengers can be comfortable on any journey. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have various audio controls on your steering wheel. And moving on to your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to choose from on those longer trips, keeping you entertained. And for those who love to explore, this vehicle does even come with your built-in satellite navigation, with your points of interest, so you can easily find your way around to your closest petrol station or nearby shop, etc. Of course, you do have your Bluetooth connection if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free calls. You do also have your on-screen display of all your driving functions and vehicle information, followed just below by your main climate controls, including your dual system. You do have various power outlets alongside your handy cup holders just below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 012 44 883 072 or inquire online now.